Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take a screenshot and long screenshots in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. There are 3 ways to take a screenshot and long screenshot in your phone. First of all, go to the screen for which you would like to take a screenshot. Here I would like to take a screenshot from this Google search page. Okay, so by first method, use power button and volume down button together. Okay, just press them together to take a screenshot. Okay, screenshot is taken. Okay, for taking long screenshot, you have to do the same, but you have to click on extend option in the screenshot. Okay, see here. Wow, it's not working. Okay, you will see long screenshot separately. Okay, now you have taken screenshot using power button and volume down button. Okay, then next method, using palm swipe. Okay, you can take a screenshot. Okay, for that again go to the same or any other screen for which you would like to take a screenshot, and with palm you can do like this, and from the left edge to right edge or right edge to left edge, if you swipe like this, screenshot will be taken. Okay, this is second method of taking screenshot. Okay, then third method is you go to enable one option. Okay, so go to settings in your phone here, then go to accessibility here, and go to interaction and textuality, and here turn on this one assistant menu and give permission, and this is assistant menu icon. As usual, go to the screen for which you would like to take a screenshot. I would like to take a screenshot from this Play Store page. Okay, so click on assistant menu icon here, and it will always be floating over the screen. Okay, so here click on screenshot. Okay, so this is somewhat very easy method. So enable it, and you can easily take screenshot at any time using accessibility assistant menu option in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. So 3 ways I have explained, and you can use any one of them to take a screenshot as per your wish. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. All the best.